Today I'm going to create a SCCM lab. So for the SCCM lab preparation, we need to complete some prerequisites before the installation of the SCCM infrastructure. So you can see on my screen, I have opened a article which is from the Prabal Desai. So this is very good article. So you can follow this article if you want to create a new SCCM lab for your practice, your testing, replicating the production, right? So you can use the SCCM lab, right? So for the lab preparation, you can follow this link. I will also mention this link in the description, as well as you can also easily find out on the online, right? So you can see, first of all, we are going to installing the prerequisites for the configuration manager, right? So first of all, let me show my right now. I have the two virtual server. I have created the one domain controller, another is the one primary server, right? So I have taken the 2016 operating system for both, and first of all, I have created the domain controller, and in three domain services, and after that promoted, and after that I have also created the system management, right? And after that, given the delegation control access to the primary SCCM server. And after that, I have also extended the Active Directory schema as well in the domain controller. Let me show you here. You can see this is the domain controller. Let me log in here. So we have successfully extended the Active Directory schema in the domain controller. So you can find this is the log file for the extended Active Directory schema. But here you can see this is showing the fail to create the attributes, because earlier I did not have the permission. Actually, the account which are you login in the machine in the DC, that account should be have the access of the schema. And after that, I have provided the schema access to the X Global account. Then after I was able to successfully extended the schema, right? And you can also easily extended the schema from here. Open the CMD run as admin, and here you can suppose that I have already mounted the SCCM on the domain controller. So from here in the SCCM 2103, I have the setup file. From the setup, you can go to the setup, then go to the bin, then go to 64. Here you can type EXTDSH. Then you can right click here and copy as a path, and after that you need to right click, then paste it. You can run it. So you can see this is showing the successful extended the Active Directory schema, right? And let me check the log once again for you, which is showing, see here. So now this is successfully extended the Active Directory schema. So basically this is the using for the publishing of the SCCM resource and the domain controller Active Directory side. So that's why this is compulsory. Okay, so now we can start the prerequisite installation on the domain primary server. So let me go to the primary server. So this is our primary server here. Let me log in first, then right. So as per the article, first of all, we have already domain joined this SCCM server in the domain, and now we are going to install the prerequisites. On the commands are also available online, so you can just copy and paste in the PowerShell, and it can be also successfully installed. Right? Let me show you how it can. Okay, so You can install the SCCM prerequisites uh, with the help of the server manager by selecting the features in the server manager option from here. Otherwise, there is another way as well. You can install all the required features via PowerShell. Let me show you. So this is the way you can successfully install all the required features. You will not miss any required feature. Okay, let me install via PowerShell. Let me close it, cancel it. Okay, I'm going to launch the PowerShell IS manage admin. Okay, now it is asking the password. Let me put here CM admin. So we will copy and paste here so that it can install. So this is the online article where all the requisites are available in the PowerShell script. So you can copy and paste there. I will also give you this link in the description so you can copy and paste all the required prerequisites from here. So first of all, we are going to install the .NET features. So for the .NET feature, we will select all the PowerShell script from here, right click, copy, then we need to paste. It's not allowing me to copy from here to the virtual machine, so that I will be at the another uh, network card in the machine so that internet can be run in this SCCM server so that we can open the article in this machine and copy and paste it here. So let me go to the settings and network adapter, click on the add hardware, select the network adapter. So actually the machine is running, so that's why we are unable to add. First of all, we need to shut down turn off the machine, then we will able to add the network card. This SCCM primary server has been turned off. So now we have now we have opened the setting and click on add hardware, then select the network adapter, then click on add. Okay, here we can click on default switch, then it will be auto connected. We need to just provide the network details. So let me turn on this machine again, continue. Let me close the firewall, turn off the firewall. Okay, okay. Let me check the network setting and cpdot.cpl. Okay, another card which we have added. Okay, let me check the versions. Okay, click on status. Yes, it's got the internet. It got the IP address and DNS details from the Wi-Fi internet. So I think so now it should be running. It should be working. So this is Internet Explorer. So that's why it will be working very slow. So it has been depreciated. So we need to install the latest version, which is the Edge or the Chrome. So you can see it's automatic uh, redirected to the MSH website. So it is asking to run or save. So we will run, then we will later save it. First of all, we will save and then after we will run it. download. Okay, now you can press the control. So now finally we have on this page. So we are copy all the first of all .NET features PowerShell script and we will paste on the PowerShell. Control V. So here you can select all by press Control A and then click here on the green button run selection and you can see it's installing. So basically we can also copy all the required commands PowerShell script in one file and then after we can run automatic, but this is not recommended to run all the command in one go because it might be require the restart. So that's why this is not recommended to run. So that's why we will run one by one as per the article which is given. Okay, so .NET feature script has been completed. So you can see here this is showing the success status and this is also showing restart status as well. So this is not required the restart, so this is fine. We need to copy another command and this is the now we need to run IIS PowerShell script to install the IIS. We will copy and paste in the you can remove or so you can see the installation is still going on. So it has been completed only 24%. So once it will complete it, then it will show the success rate for the script. We need to just wait. You can see it's 90% has been completed. Okay friends, you can see the .NET features PowerShell script has been done. So it not required any restart. So this is fine. We have to copy another commands which is the IIS. We need to just paste and run it. We can control A, select, then we can run the selection. It's running. So IIS installation it's also completed till 92%. Wait, yeah, it's also completed. So we need to run the another command. So another is the application deployment. So we need to copy and paste this PowerShell script. Control C, then Control V, select it, then run. It's also completed. Needs to check the another PowerShell script which is the security. Need to select Control V, Control A, select. Now we need to copy the another command. This has been completed. So security we has been done, I think so. Yeah, web Windows authentication. Yes, it has been done. Now we are going to copy management tools PowerShell script. Control A, Control V, then Control A, then run. And parallelly, I'm also installing a new virtual server for this SQL installation because I want to keep a separate database on a separate server. So that's why I do not want to install this SQL on the same SCCM primary server, right? So I'm installing the parallelly another SQL server as well. So I have only given the 4 GB RAM and I have given 50 GB hard disk for this machine. So setup has been started. So let it run, and we need to install the more required features on the SCCM primary server. Okay, this command also has been completed. So we need to run the another command. So the last one is pending bits service, background intelligence service. We have copied and need to run controller control V can control A run. So basically I'm using my personal laptop. So this is the lap in this laptop 480 GB of the SATA disk, and I am using 32 GB RAM in this laptop. Let me show you as well. This is the 32 GB RAM, and you can see this is the 480 GB hard disk. Okay, so SCCM prerequisites has been completed. So let us check what is pending. The SCCM installation in the parts, you can follow one by one parts, so that will be easy for you. So this part has been done, so need to go back. Okay, the system requirement done, installation of the prerequisites has been done. Now we need uh, installation of the SQL server for the SCCM. So actually the installation has been started and it's going on. It will take some time. So as per the article, actually this is the 2012 servers base, so that's why everywhere is mentioned this 2012. Okay, so let me check the version which I have in the lab. So in the lab I have server 29. Okay, so operating system installation has been done in the SQL server. So it will also take another some time. So let the system has been successfully installed. Let me put the password here. So first of all, we need to join this machine in the domain first. So let me connect the network first. So now I'm going to join this server in the domain. Before that, need to turn off the firewall, otherwise it will block the port. So I will be use the SCCM admin account for login. Actually, we need the internet on that machine, so that's why we need add one more network adapter. So that's why I have turned off the machine. So open the setting and go to add hardware, select the network adapter, then click on add and apply OK. And select only the database engine and report service, but report is feature is not available here, so we can ignore it, and we are just selecting the database engine service. We are also selecting the default instance, which is the MS SQL server. We can select here the Windows authentication mode. So all the prerequisites are also in this equal. The basic has been done. So this machine is also ready, and all the prerequisites has been done on the SQL server as well. So I'm going to end the video because it has been very long. So I will be create the another part for the installation of the SCCM primary server. Thank you.